Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm sharing with you a delicious, easy, refreshing detox drink. This is something that I love to wake up to in the morning, helps with hydration, and helps to get those detox processes going very gently yet very effectively first thing in the morning, which is really important. As we sleep, this is part of our detox mechanism, and we lose a lot of water, believe it or not, when we're sleeping, and that's why often when we have to get up, we have to urinate first thing in the morning. We want to make sure that we are putting that water back in and helping to further that detox process. Now, some of my favorite herbal medicines, which I've talked about in other videos, are chlorella, is a blue-green algae which contains chlorophyll, helps to detoxify heavy metals from our body. This is one of the things that I add into my concoction, so I'm going to show you how I mix this up in just a second. I also love dandelion root, which is great as a liver detox, helps to cleanse the blood as well. And milk thistle also helps to regenerate healthy liver cells, but it's also great for detoxifying the liver and the kidneys as well. Parsley helps as a gentle diuretic, so it's actually like a water pill. So if you tend to hold on to excess water weight, the parsley can really help to flush things out, which is great because, again, when we're toxic and we have a lot of internal toxicity in terms of environmental toxins, these are things that I share in other videos, so make sure that you check out my other videos on full body detox. But our body actually holds on to excess water and fat to protect us from those toxins. So that's why, often with the process of detoxifying, we lose that extra water weight that we're holding on to. We may lose a bit of that excess fat that we're actually holding on to as well, just as part of that detox mechanism, which is great, and a lot of people love that. I also love burdock root, which helps to cleanse the blood as well as the lungs. I also love Cascara sagrada, and this is a fantastic herbal medicine that gently helps to get things moving in terms of digestion, yet is very regulating, and taking it in the right dosage is important so that it's not overstimulating, but does have that gentle laxative effect to get things moving, which is really important as part of a full body detox, that we're getting that digestion going in a gentle way, because having regular bowel movements is very important, which is something that I think people kind of know me for now, is that I talk a lot about poop and doing things in a natural and safe way in terms of doing a full body detox. I also love horsetail herb, which is fantastic as helping to cleanse the blood, but it is also great for the lungs, and it is working on the kidneys as a kidney detox as well. And bearberry also helps to cleanse the kidneys as well as the lymphatic system. So taking all of these herbal medicines, you would think, oh my goodness, this is so difficult. But for me, what I do, it's all in what I'm going to show you now. So what I like to do is to get some good high quality water. So I usually use reverse osmosis water or bottled water. In terms of volcanic waters are great, spring waters are great, just making sure that there's not toxicity in the waters, and always drinking from glass. So that's something that you definitely want to move towards, is drinking from glass. Now what I do is I take half a lemon. You can do a little bit less, but I like a half or about a tablespoon of lemon, and I like to freshly squeeze the lemon right into my water. And again, remember, we're doing this first thing in the morning on waking, ideally on an empty stomach. So I squeeze my lemon, and lemon is great for detoxifying the liver. It has so many different, great health qualities to it, and that's why it's so fantastic to do, especially first thing in the morning. So I've done that now into my water. I'm also opening up my capsules. So this is a full body detox. We will share in the description below exactly where you can get your hands on this. But this contains all of those herbal medicines, plus the chlorella, which is that blue-green algae, which is important in terms of trapping those heavy metal toxins, but also contains chlorophyll. So I know I get a lot of questions about chlorophyll. So this is the way that I do it. And we can see that it's already starting to mix itself in, but I'm going to stir that in. Now, you could drink it just like this if you like. Takes a little bit of work, but you're going to stir that up nicely and it will go into that solution. But it does taste a little bit grassy. So if you don't like grassy kind of taste and you're not used to doing detoxes, one of the things, the little cheats that you can do, is to find some naturally sweetened drops, so a flavor enhancer for water. This one does contain stevia. Some of them, contain some artificial sweeteners, so you don't want to take those. You want to do one that has natural coloring from vegetables, no artificial colors. So just be careful on the drops that you do choose. and that will help with flavoring of this. And all you're gonna do is mix that up nicely. And I like to actually drink this down pretty much in one shot. So not in one gulp, but in one shot. So I'm gonna do this first thing in the morning and drink it down and basically finish the entire glass. And that's how I start my day. And I'm telling you, after you do this, after a couple days, maybe even the first day, you just feel so much better. You feel, you know, the effectiveness of that cleansing, and you're really gonna love it. So I can't wait for you to try it. It's so good. And because, I mean, I can take it straight without the flavor enhancer, but even with the flavor enhancer, and a bit of that sweetness, it really is delicious and a great way to do that full body detox. So I want to hear how this works for you. I can't wait to hear, so please leave it in the comments below. Be sure to share this video with, you know, your friends and family who could definitely use a full body detox. Please give me a big thumbs up as well. I truly appreciate all of your great feedback. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you subscribe and turn on those post notifications by clicking that bell so you always get my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. So yeah, we have a lot of content that, you know, myself and my team, we put together. So I'm glad to hear from all of you and to share it all with you. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.